Greetings everyone, CYBERYOGA here. Today's video is very simple, just about reconnecting with nature, disconnecting with nature. It's really important to connect with the source, Gaia, Mother Nature, animals. You gotta get out of the grid, enjoy the basics. I'm in Mulholland Drive in Hollywood, California, or Studio City. I'm just enjoying the nature. Just sitting, hearing the birds, connecting. Really important to detach and decompress from the grid. It can be overwhelming. So learning how to charge will be connecting with Gaia. I'm on a nice little trail here, Mulholland Drive, somewhere, Studio City. And I'm just enjoying this walk. Yeah, so when you're feeling, stressed out or feeling kind of foggy mind or feeling out of place, I guess the best thing to do is to reconnect with nature. Connect with the source, connect with God's source, because we are nature, we come from nature, and we're designed to interface with nature. Oh, it's a kind of muddy trail right here, gotta be careful. But I feel a sense of zen and peace, quiet. No one really around, just hear the insects and birds and the realities of life, the rawness of life. I mean, I'm not in the raw forest, but I'm in some nature. It's really important to just sit and sit with yourself, have conversations, disconnect, reconnect. We are connected in tech, but not connecting with each other. So, just wanted to share my thoughts and share what my heart told me to do today, which is really about disconnecting, taking a hiking trail, take some time out for myself, take some time out for you, to reconnect with you. Really important. So I wanted to hope you received this message, and I received the love from all of you and the kind words and the shares. So sending love your way, and I'll see you in the next one. Learn to connect. Look at this beautiful view right here. Look at that. I love nature so much. Nature is incredible. Such a blessing. The smells. I mean, it's in March. It's March right now. No, it's April. It's April 3rd. No, it's April 2nd. Sorry, April 2nd. And everything is blossoming. It's blooming. So beautiful. So peaceful. I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm enjoying the nature. Sending love your way. Stay tuned for more content. And CYBERYOGA, Jesus is sending love to all of you.